You hear that click when you close this? That sounds beautiful. The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding. What is up, guys? Back with another video today. In case you don't know me, my name is Joe. You're going to be seeing this video on both my YouTube channels. I'm going to be uploading this to both of them. Please forgive me, guys. I am exhausted today. You're going to see it in my face. You're going to hear it in my voice. Forgive me. But I'm super excited at the same time. I want to show you guys something that I recently picked up. You might be familiar with my bodybuilding channel. You might be familiar with my jewelry channel. I'm going to link both of those channels in the description of each video on each channel that I upload in case you want to check it out. This is relevant, guys, because if you're watching this video, it's because you clicked on it, because we're going to be looking at the Roka, I believe that's how you say it, Roka brand of glasses today. I picked up a 5-pack from them, the trial pack. Now, these are supposed to be extremely good for people who exercise, bodybuild like the channel I have, as well as extremely fashionable. I have a jewelry channel. So I feel like these particular glasses work both for both channels. So I'm going to be going ahead and uploading to both. Again, I'm tired. I'm going to be stumbling on my words. Please forgive me. Let's get into this video. So ladies and gentlemen, the reason why I picked up these glasses is because I got told by a couple of people, Joe, you should probably change your glasses. And I was like, nah, I like them. I got these square frames. I forget how much they cost. I don't know. Well, you're always getting ripped off with glasses regardless. It probably cost me a couple $100 a while back. They're no name brand at all. Vivid Eyewear, that's what it is. Vivid Eyewear in black, right? But I got told by a couple of people, Joe, you should switch up the glasses. I said, nah, I'm good. So I kept it moving. But four people within a month told me that I need to change them. So that's when the seeds got planted. That's when they started to grow. And I was like, all right, that's enough. 4 people, so I got to do something. I went and deviated from the square frames because I got told by 2 people that the square frames actually make me look old. Now, I think I am old. I'm 35. But at the end of the day, I don't want to look older than I am. Switched out the square frames for a trial pack of 5 rounded frames. That's what we're going to be looking at today. Today, guys, we are going to be looking at the Oslo, the Evans, the Lewis, the Collins, and the HTO white shipper box. That is not one of the glasses. So this entire time I thought I was getting a trial pack of 5. It's a trial pack of 4. The white shipper box is the 5th thing on this label. All right, so the reason why I'm doing this video is because all of these glasses were rounded. All of them looked pretty awesome, and all of them were almost the same looking in my opinion. So you guys, if you're interested in these particular glasses, you might love this video. Now, I just want to show you guys, these glasses, again, are for people who exercise, made to move. And take a look at these glasses on this guy. I'm wishing I actually picked up these. These look pretty awesome. If the ones that I have now are not good, I might actually have to go ahead and see if these will fit me. Doesn't help that the guy's handsome. I can't do anything about that on my end. But let's check into these glasses. Let's see what we got. This comes with a return label because what you're going to do is when you purchase these, they cost you $15 to purchase this trial pack of 4. They come in this high-end box, so high-end that they actually put it on the receipt. This box probably cost about $10 out of the $15 that you spent to get it shipped to your house. These frames go for hundreds of bucks, guys, so I think they should personally be giving it to you for free. But if you purchase the frame, the $15 go towards that purchase. All right, so that's the one good thing about the whole situation. This box is phenomenal. It's like really high end. When you open it, it actually makes a noise. You know that new car door open close noise? It reminds me of that. Or that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 noise when you close it. That high-end click. This box has it, so that tells you something. Each pair of glasses comes with these. You can change out the nose pieces to find your fit, okay? I'm not going to be changing them out now. I'm just going to be doing what we're doing. This, guys, tells you the name on them. These are super high-tech looking. It's got the name on it, Roka, designed in the USA. See if I can give you that here. Probably not. I don't know if you guys can see that. Keep in mind, I don't typically do reviews like this. But I figured, again, I got a bodybuilding channel and a jewelry channel. You guys might appreciate this stuff. This is the Oslo, okay? This is the Oslo. And you know what, guys? Feel free. Let me know. My wife hates the idea of me wearing rounded frames. If you guys hate it too, please tell me, because I'm looking for some help here. I'm about to buy these frames just so people can stop calling me old. All of these are supposed to really be sick when you're working out. Keep in mind when you go on their website, they have only attractive people wearing this stuff. So when you see it, you're going to be like, wow, I can be attractive too. That's what I did. This is the Oslo. I'll put it on one more time. All right. All of these frames that I'm showing you, they're going to be similar in style. So I think this video will really help people out if you're interested in this stuff, because I was on the website, it was like I could barely tell the difference between them, but they all look cool. Okay, guys, this is the Evans. Now, I saw a really awesome looking bodybuilding guy on the website wearing the Evans. The only reason I knew it was the Evans was because I actually took a screenshot of the guy bodybuilding and I said, what pair of glasses is this? If I wear them, will I look big like this guy? And so they sent me an email back telling me this was the Evans. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it literally says Evans on the glasses. It's pretty awesome. These I like off the bat better than the Oslo because these things have metal, really nice metal arms. You hear that click when you close this? That sounds beautiful. Another really aesthetically pleasing situation with that. Okay. I am blind without my glasses. It's really scary. All right, so that is the Evans. These also have metal frames. The first pair, the Oslo that I showed you this pair already. It does not have metal frames, but the plastic frame that it does have has this really sick, grippy kind of a thing. So these won't be falling off your face anytime soon, okay? So keep that in mind. Really nice, even without the metal frame. But the metal frame, by far, I'm telling you right now, I would get one with the metal frame. Obviously, this is going to come down to what my wife thinks. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay, this is the third pair we're trying on, and this was the Lewis. I don't know if I said that already. I'm exhausted, guys, forgive me. This is the Lewis. You can see these have more of an angular look than the other ones. But these metal arms do a lot. Okay, and the last pair that we have in this 4-pair trial is these are the Collins. Okay? These are the Collins. Keep in mind when you order this pack, again, it costs 15 bucks, right? But that $15 goes towards your purchase if you purchase. If you don't purchase, you're not getting your money back. But the point behind these glasses are you can actually work out with them, you can run with them, you can bodybuild with them, you can do whatever you want with them while you have them. I probably should have cleaned these before I put them on my face because about 1,000 people probably tried them on before me. But that's the idea. You can wear these as you would with normal, your normal glasses. You're allowed to do that. I mentioned it on the website. Something I want to point out is the fact that these glasses, they're demo glasses, right? But they're dirty, all right? These, you probably can't see what I'm talking about, but each pair actually has fingerprints on the lids, and it actually has smudges and dirt. So I don't particularly like that. This company touts itself as being some like highly esteemed company. The customer service has been great. so far through email. But I don't like the fact that these glasses have scratches all over them. They are demo glasses, I get it, but I paid 15 bucks for these demo glasses. They got scratches and dirt all on them, so I don't particularly like that. So I'm gonna go back in order again to show you guys one more time what we're looking at, in case you wanna see that again. This time we're gonna be doing backwards, okay? These were the Collins. These are the Lewis. By the way, guys, please feel free to check out the channels. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. It really means a lot to me. If you guys appreciate this video, at the very least, please like it. Thank you. These were the Evans. And for the final pair, these are the Oslo. So guys, I hope this video was beneficial to you. If you are interested in the Roka Eyewear, man, it's pretty amazing what you can do online now. You can buy glasses online. I am super old school. I have never done this before. Just want to mention, it says here, right on the box, won't fall off your face, incredibly lightweight, which is true. Each and every single one of these is very lightweight. The metal frames are the heaviest part of these, but the pair, the Oslo, the one without the metal frames, is almost like you're not holding anything. It tells you right here it won't fall off your face. I absolutely believe that because I felt the grip on this. Premium lenses and coatings, no pressure points. I felt zero pressure on my face. I'm not making this stuff up. I'm not affiliated with this company at all. These feel like very high quality glasses. You're paying a lot for plastic. I'm guessing these are plastic, but they do feel like extremely high quality stuff. They do. Like I said, you know that feeling when you close a car door, brand new car? That's what you feel like when you use these. All right, guys. Hope you're all well. Be safe. Thank you for the love and support as always. Talk soon.